Hey, hi friends. Friends, today in this video we're going to know what will be the price for installing the POP false ceiling and what are the advantages of some false ceiling designs. So friends, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel. So let's begin to the topic. A false ceiling, also known as a drop or suspended ceiling, it offers the several benefits or room interiors for both functional and aesthetics. Like, false ceilings add a sleek contemporary look to any of our room. They allow for creative designs including the layer patterns, shapes and materials. Even they hide the electrical wiring, AC ducts and other utilities for clean appearance. So these are the some best advantages. So friends, now we will know what will be the price for installing the POP false ceiling. First, now we will talk about the material price. The current price of a material is 80 rupees per square feet, and plus for installing we require the labors, so labor will charge 40 to 45 rupees per square feet. So if we'll add this both material plus labor cost, 80 rupees plus 45, it will cost 125 rupees per square feet. So now we will take some example, like if our room size is 12 by 10, so the area, if we'll multiply 12 into 10, it will 120 square feet. So and the price is of material plus labor is a 125 rupees per square feet. So we will multiply both 120 area plus 125 rupees per square feet. It will cost around the 15,000 rupees. So for POP false ceiling, for installing 120 square feet area, it will cost almost 15,000 rupees. The price may be little bit of changes because it depends upon the materials quality, designs and the location where you live. This is the current price, and for the next year also for 2025 the price may be same. There may be a little bit of changes, like it will go 16,000 almost, that much only, it will not increase that much. So let me take some example for another room. So if your room size is 15 into 20 like hall size, so your hall size total area will be 300 square feet. So if you multiply with 300 into 125 rupees, which is the labor and the material rate, so it will almost comes 37,500 rupees. So for installing the 300 rupees, sorry 300 square feet area, you will almost cost 37,500 rupees. So easily you can calculate your false ceiling price. To calculate the false ceiling price, just you require area square feet and the POP false ceiling rate. So if you multiply with both of them, the total price will come you exactly what will cost for your room. False ceiling has a beautiful several advantages, like integrated lighting options. You can incorporate recessed lightings, LED strips or spotlights directly into the ceiling. So false ceilings can create an even distribution of light, reducing glare and enhance ambience. False ceiling can damp sound, reducing noise from outside or between floors. They can enhance the sound quality in rooms like hall, yeah, bigger space rooms. They provide the space for integrating plumbing lines and fire safety systems without cluttering the room. So many false ceilings comes materials with a fire resistant, adding a layer of safety to the room. Even it will also increase the value for your property value. A well-designed false ceiling can increase the perceived value of a property due to its aesthetic and functional appeal. However, while false ceiling offers this benefit, they also come with consideration like cost, maintenance and potential. Proper planning and material selection can maximize their beautiful and best advantages of a false ceiling. So while you are planning to do the false ceiling, but it requires some careful planning. So here are the some key points to consider. First one is the purpose and the design. So determine the design style, patterns and finishes that align with the room theme. Decide if you need it for hiding wiring, enhancing acoustics or thermal insulation. Plan for the lights, LED strips or other fixtures to integrate seamlessly. So ensure the room has sufficient heights because false ceiling typically reduce the height for 4 to 6 inches. Use minimalist designs in smaller rooms to avoid the cramped look. So versatile for integrate designs but less durable than. So always select the best quality materials. Choose the material that are easy to clean and maintain. Consider moisture and termite resistance, especially in the humid areas. So always select the materials which are fire resistant for added safety. So always plan wiring, duct work and air events in the advance to avoid the dismantling later. So leave provisions for future changes or repairs if you require in a future. So one of the most best point to consider is a budget. So evaluate material, labor and additional cost, example like lighting and fixtures. So compare the quotes from contractors for the best deals. So always hire the professional vendor to install the POP false ceilings. So keeping these some important points, you will ensure a functional and visually appealing false ceiling that meets your requirements. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to make the beautiful false ceiling designs for your home, and this video has helped you to know the what will be the price for installing the POP false ceiling. So friends, I hope you like my content. So friends, if you like this video, then please like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.